Hi, and welcome to this video guide about notebook exemplars in the Noteable service. In this video, we'll be looking at the if and for notebooks available to you as a teacher to access Noteable via Glow. Once you have uploaded the notebooks into your Noteable space, you will open them and see that there is a legend at the top, color-coded using the Markdown cell type to indicate the different color schemes across the notebook. Here we can see the objectives of the notebook and some initial exercises. This notebook is a revision of the concepts that were explained in some earlier notebooks and is part of a progression of notebooks that covers computing science and other numerical subjects across National 3 to advanced higher levels within the Scottish curriculum. This notebook includes a number of exercises, including how to inspect code, how to count digits, and how to use the Python if and for statement. These exercises progress in difficulty as you scroll down the notebook. And towards the bottom, you will find example exercises that combine the elements used in the previous exercises in learning. As we advance in the Notebook Exemplar series, we will find more complex concepts and more advanced curriculum concepts in the If for Hire notebook within the Notebook Exemplars. Some examples here follow the PRIM approach towards programming, which asks the learner to predict the output of a certain line or script of code. In the advanced version of the notebook for the if and for statements, we will find more complex exercises that make use of prime numbers and calculations involving prime numbers, before ending with a simple game asking the learner to put their own input down for certain questions.